Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. And not in today's newspaper, or actually yesterday's newspaper. Um, Not in the Saturday, April the 2nd edition. No, today is actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. And I've told you earlier, in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition, Thursday, March the 31st, 2022. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the Sudoku with a 1 star, the 2 stars I've already solved, and the binary puzzle. So now it's time for the tectonic. Yeah, the tectonic with 1 star. All right. Okay, let me position the camera because I have not a lot of space here. This will be number 4356. Yeah, 4356. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19, so it should be an easy one. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here, a single box, always a 1. Then the following question, dual box. Can we see here the dual box? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Triple box then. Do we have triple boxes here? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Same for this side. This box can also 4 or a 5. Okay. Triple box, more triple boxes here. No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? Well, we see here a quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And all the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay, quadra box, more quadra boxes here. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, construction structures. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape or construction. How about the T shape here, rotated? Let me draw the T shape here. Alright, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape, more T shape in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape, I think this one is the last shape. let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. So here, we have only 4 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. There are more. I believe maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 1 there. So no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 with a 1 here, and those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here, so it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. And this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, let me mark those. 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. I need a 3 in this area, yes, but this box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5, okay, 4 and the 5. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 3, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 3, so 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me go up. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L shape area should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 3. So the other pair in this area should be the 4 and 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Okay. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. In this area we have 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5, it should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Okay. Then, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. I need a 3 here. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 3. Then. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Should be a 3. Can it be 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 3. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So it's 4 or 5. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 4 or 5. But we already have a 4 there, so it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. This box can be 2 or a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes I need for solving a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.